I am Bob Clay at the National Weather Service with the Alaska statewide weather. On today's weather map, there's light snow falling just ahead of a frontal system moving over toward St. Lawrence Island and Nunivak Island. Over the mainland, high pressure continues with areas of fog over the Cook Inlet area and several places in the interior. Fair skies for the most part over in southeast Alaska. And then down over on the eastern Aleutian Islands, there's another warm front which is going to be pushing north, bringing some warm air, and it's also producing some light rain. Over the Gulf of Alaska and Kodiak Island, generally clear skies in those areas with some patchy fog over the Gulf. Now for tonight, we're going to see that front, which is over the eastern portion of the Bering Sea. That's going to be bringing some snow up over towards the Seward Peninsula as well as the northwestern coast of Alaska. We'll also see some blowing snow along the northwest coast and the Chukchi Sea coast. Along the Arctic coast and Beaufort Sea coast, we're going to see generally cloudy conditions with fog and some flurries over the southeast Alaska and south central Alaska. In the eastern portion of the interior, we'll generally see fair skies with some patchy fog, and we'll see rain spreading over the Alaska Peninsula just ahead of a warm front, and a warm front moving with some rain and snow over the Pribilof Islands. As we get into Tuesday's forecast, we'll see that frontal system, which is over in the eastern Bering Sea, approaching the Pribilofs, that will continue to bring rain north, and we'll probably even see a mixture of rain and snow and some freezing rain potential along the southwest coast and also over the Delta coast. Now, as we get up towards Norton Sound and the northwest coast, we'll see generally cloudy conditions with some snow and fog in those areas. High pressure continues over the mainland for the most part with some patchy fog as well as the Gulf and southeast Alaska. On Wednesday's forecast, we'll see the high pressure more or less continuing to hold over the mainland there. We'll see a lot of those clouds in the interior and the north kind of clearing to the east. And we'll see generally fair skies with some patchy fog extending all the way from the interior sections all the way down into southeast Alaska. We've got another warm front which is going to be moving over towards southwest Alaska and also up towards the Gulf of Anadyr, bringing some rain and possibly freezing rain in those areas, and rain continuing along the Alaska Peninsula. With the Alaska statewide weather, I am Bob Clay.